You're not lazy. You're not undisciplined. Your brain has been rewired, and you didn't even notice it happening. And the worst part? It's happening to millions of people right now. Here's the part 1. Attention is being destroyed. Think about this. You open your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's been 1 hour. You can't sit through a 10-minute video, but you can scroll for hours. That's not normal. That's engineered. Part 2. The real culprit. Apps like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are not designed for you. They're designed to trap your attention. Every scroll is a gamble. Maybe the next video is boring. Maybe it's amazing. Your brain doesn't know. And that uncertainty releases dopamine again and again and again, until your brain gets addicted to constant stimulation. Part 3. Your brain is changing. Now, here's where it gets dangerous. Your brain starts adapting. Slow content feels boring. Silence feels uncomfortable. Focus feels painful. You're not losing focus. Your brain is being trained to avoid it. Part 4. Why you feel broken. So when you try to study, work, or just sit quietly, you feel restless. You think, something is wrong with me. No, you've just been exposed to too much speed, too much dopamine, too much noise. Ending. Wake-up call. So next time you can't focus, don't just blame yourself. Ask a better question. Who trained my brain to be like this? Because once you understand that, you stop fighting yourself and start fighting the system.